No sooner had the ink dried on the deal to send Ukraine the older Abrams and Leopard tanks, Germany now wants to sell Ukraine its most modern, technologically advanced Panther KF-51 main battle tank. But this might not be a good thing. Going from Ukraine's Soviet-era tanks, leapfrogging the Abrams and Leopard, and going straight to the Panther could put a heavy burden on a Ukrainian military that's already trying to get trained as quickly as possible on mid-tier armor. CEO Armin Paperger of German defense contractor Rheinmetall told the German newspaper Handelsblatt, "We are talking to Kiev about exporting the Panther." The Panther isn't a huge departure from the Leopard, more of an incremental upgrade. The big changes are in battle management systems and armament. The Panther also has advanced launchers for Hero 120 loitering munitions that give the tank an onboard kamikaze drone capability. The Panther is based on the hull of the Leopard 2A4 and reportedly uses the same power plant, but the main differences are in the turret. The Panther now has an auto-loaded 130mm big gun, which removes the need for a fourth crew member to load shells. For protection, the tank is wrapped in a layer of all-welded steel armor. The second layer comprises sensor-based reactive armor, and the third layer consists of Rheinmetall's Active Defense System and Active Protection System, APS. Rheinmetall claims ADS is capable of protecting against kinetic energy projectiles and anti-tank guided missiles. It's worth noting that at 59 tons, the Panther is lighter than the US Abrams, British Challenger, or Germany's own Leopard by at least 10 tons. This is important as super-heavy tanks often have difficulty crossing older European bridges and Ukraine's muddy terrain. Technologically, the Panther is far beyond anything Russia could field, short of its T-14 Armata, which, to date, Russia has been reluctant to send to Ukraine. This is likely because of Russia's severe manufacturing challenges concerning the Armata. The first test batch of 100 tanks has been extended to 2025. Russia just doesn't have that many to spare in the Ukrainian meat grinder where Russian armor goes to die. Rheinmetall claims the Panther is the strongest battle tank in the world. Now, Rheinmetall claims they are holding promising talks to build a tank factory in Ukraine that could produce 400 Panthers per year. This would cost Ukraine approximately $213 million, and the decision could be made in as little as 2 months. So, where might Germany build this factory? Ideally, the plant would be built in or around Kiev. However, it would be a juicy target for future Russian missile strikes, particularly from Russia's dwindling supply of hypersonic munitions. It may be safest to build in western Ukraine, perhaps in a suburb of Lviv, although Russia has struck that city in the past as well. Meanwhile, Ukraine is still waiting for their initial shipment of Abrams main battle tanks from the US, while Ukrainian soldiers have recently completed training on the Leopard 2 in Poland. Ukraine has also received 14 Leopard 2s directly from Poland. Once these advanced tanks hit eastern Ukraine, it's going to be like hitting a piñata with a hammer. The current slow-moving give-and-take front line will be shattered by tanks that Russia simply can't counter with what they currently have in theater. For their part, Germany couldn't ask for a better real-world proving ground to record the performance of the Panther against Russian armor. The lessons learned for Germany will be invaluable as they work on future Panther upgrades.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.